we're on the Emerald Princess and we're about to get off, but we didn't film a room tour, so we're gonna speed run a room tour. Why does my camera have toast all over it? Anyway, so there's beds. I'm not gonna show you the other bed because there's people on it, but there's two beds that look like this. And these beds come down. There's a thermostat. You get to control it. It actually works kind of well. There's a mirror, and then there's instructions. Our muster is in the Princess Theater. Over here you have the bathroom. Bathroom is a bathroom. The shower curtain sucks. The shower's kind of tiny if you are plus size like I am, but we make it work. There's a toilet, important to have. And then there's a sink, storage, there's some shelves, some storage underneath. Yeah, all wonderful things. Over here, lots of storage. You have your storage shelves and a safe to put your stuff in. There's ladders for the beds that go up. Storage up here. If you need child life jackets, just ask. Lots of hangers. These hangers are from our laundry. We need to not forget the tray for my daughter's wheelchair. So yeah. So then over here, you have more storage shelves. Over here, in here, you have more storage shelves. And this is where your hair dryer is. It's in there. Shelves. Chair. There's a phone over here. In here, there's a fridge. That keeps things actually pretty cold. Usually it's not too cold, but that one's pretty good. We are in D116. There's like a shelf thingy here. And then you got the TV. And then yeah, and then you have the second bunk. Plugs in this room are sparse, whatever the word is. There's a couple American plugs over there. And then in the nightstand there is a USB-A and a USB-C plug. And then there's also two drawers in each of those and space there. And annoying lights that turn on. So our room attendant, we used a towel to block it, but our room attendant actually taped it off. And so there we go. There's the speed run of D116 in the interior cabin on the Emerald Princess.